Hello everyone, what is going on? What's up? I should probably change it so YouTube isn't so delayed, but yeah. Wait, is this correct? Yeah, okay. Mostly I thought I was starting to do with, actually I should turn down the music. There we go. Hopefully that's alright. Alright, so I was thinking of just doing some basic scripting and then move on to like the Bedrock replay or maybe working on the voice proximity chat after a while. I'm a bit brain dead still today. So hopefully all goes a bit well. Alright, so we can start with a couple of stuff if we want to. We could start with Script API if any of you want any ideas, have any ideas what I should do. Since I've got really nothing planned, because I've been a bit busy, but yeah. So how's everyone doing? Chat. How's chat doing? Right. I'll actually show you what scripts do. If ev dot message is equal to Trying to add RTX support. Yeah, it's something to do with PVR and something. Um, yeah, PVR is a bit. I think RTX uses a physically based rendering and that. All right, actually. Oh gosh, I still haven't fixed that. Yeah, that's how the script API works. We can actually detect chat. So yeah, it's a pretty good thing. We can do all sorts of things with this as well. We can even send data from the server, which is what my voice proximity chat does. But actually, yeah, we'll do functions. Test function, and then if we create that, we need to do like say, oh wait, if we do /reload, oh no, we have to reload the world because we added the file. Yeah, that's literally all it does. It doesn't. Pretty much functions are just files of commands, like lines of commands. While in scripting, it's a bit more like this, and we get a lot more control over stuff. That's pretty much the only difference. I believe we might have access to the execute command, yeah. Wait. Oh, okay. There's not a lot of autocomplete commands, as I thought, but... We could do something fun. What if I do... entity... No. I need to do this entity... hit entity dot subscribe, and then ev is equal over to do that. If we do if ev dot hit entity dot type id is equal to, let's do the sheep. We could do something like, we could make it go up in the air. So we could do ev dot hit entity dot apply impulse. We can do knockback as well, and then we need the vector 3 for the vector instead. And we do new vector, and then we just do 0.0.50. I believe that should work. So if we test this in game, there we go. And then there's all sorts of other stuff. For example, we could make it shoot way up in the air. Oh, it's still going. I mean, that's some of the stuff you can do. What else could we do with this? Oops. We could, if we go to the script API reference documentation, we want the experimental toggles. Right, so we can do the forms. Actually, I've already got the tutorial out for that, so yeah. Although we could do it if y'all want it. Don't know what all of you want. We could do something with a server editor. I actually wonder if they've changed much with the editor mode. I believe it was my editor. MCB. If I can remember the actual. I started up. I believe it was just Minecraft preview. Okay, we just don't need that. Okay. Minecraft as preview. Dot editor is equal to true. Okay, we can just save out of this. See what it looks like, a bit different. See what the preview mode looks like. It changed a bit about how it works, unless I've updated it or haven't updated it. Oh, I'm not opening that one again. No, I don't want to. Delete project. Okay. Yeah. What? Okay, is there anything changing here? Has anything changed here? I don't see anything that's changed. What about here? Nope. What about cheats? We'll just enable this. There's not much has changed. Except for that one. Experimental cameras. Render dragon features for creator. Actually, I should test that out later, a bit later. See how that works. That's a deferred rendering, so like that's supporting Xbox, phones, desktops that don't have RTX. It's kind of like Java shaders. But yeah, look at that a bit later. Right, I wonder what they changed here. Have they changed anything at all? No, the brush... Oh, no, the UI looks a bit different. This is different. That's still the same, and that is broken, apparently, it looks like. Or not, I don't know. What happens? What do we have changed here? Nether and daylight cycle turn on and off. There's not much has changed. We've got that same log panel. Can we resize these windows? No, we can't. Oh, that sucks. Bro. What UI settings? Oh, we can change this, but no. 75% is this? How small can we make? Okay, I'm not gonna mess with that anymore. Okay, so we've got selection, which is the same. Then paste, then test settings. Wait, this is new. So if we go into and then we do the test score. Interesting. Oh, okay. Interesting. Very interesting. We could do all sorts of other stuff. Looks like they haven't changed that much. Although we could mess with this later. And then we still got the crosshair mode. What else have they changed? Not much by the looks of this. .21 is an update. Okay. Alright. Well, actually, I don't think I've updated this, have I? Let me just check with the Microsoft Store. Oh, it's not what I want. Do we have an update for Minecraft? And this is new? I've never seen this before. This help page is new. This is nice. I like this. Encyclopedia. Oh my gosh. They've rewritten this entire thing. Oh my gosh. Oh, /cube with gameplays. Very cool. They've rewrote this entire thing. Alright, so let's see if the... Yep, there was an update to it. Okay, so we'll just close that down for now. We'll see what fun stuff that we can do with the editor mode in the script API. So if we see... So if there's... Alright, so if we can see from here... Oh my gosh, there's a lot going on here. Okay, so editor is the actual editor, and this is our entry point, just like the world class. And we can log to the logger register extension. So that's something that we have to do. Then when we do the register extension, what does this look like? Oh, and this is where everything starts. Okay, so we can clipboard, we can check the 3D cursor, the extension name, the player, the playtest. Okay, selection manager, settings, transaction manager, after events. What do we have in the after events? Ah, mode change. Okay, there's not much. What about settings? What can we do? Graphics manages the graphics settings property. Not much. What can we... Graphics setting property type map. Where is that? Graphics setting property. Ah, it's just show invisible blocks, that's it. Okay, so it's like barrier, light, structure, and void. Interesting. Oh, and we can listen to keybinds as well. Unused, none, alt, control, shift, any. Interesting. Wonder what other keybinds that we can listen to. Yep, there's the entire keyboard for you. Oh my gosh, that is insane. And press and release. We can even check the mouse button as well. Interesting. They've outdone themselves with this. All sorts of stuff we can do with this. Might have to play with this later, once I figure it out with the script API, but yeah. So why is this pending? Download now. Alright, so I'll actually show you what I've been sort of working on. With VoiceCraft, because I haven't I've sort of been updating it, but also not. So if I go to VoiceCraft, so this is a new version. I didn't submit this one. Okay. Alright, so we can just start this up. That's right, I did that. Oh gosh. Oh well. I was not expecting that to happen. So we've currently got this. So if we save that and we do a test dot or something like that, you can see the address is hidden now. So this is for like hiccups that you might usually get, except for when you edit. But not a whole lot that changed here. Might have to start writing this wiki thingy as well as the app version, but that's pretty much all coming later. That's pretty much all I got. And then for the Bedrock replay, let's see if I can find it. I've currently got some things working. Alright. Okay. Where am I? I think I'm... Oh, that didn't work. Oh, there we go. Hello. You want me to change it to cake? I can change it to cake. Let's see if I can remember what it was. If I can find the image. It's under open folder in textures. There we go. Alright, so if we can change it to cake, it would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that's 12. This would be 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, and this is 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, and 12. If we change that, there's not enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, there's 12. I don't think I'm up for far enough. This has to be 8. No? Okay. Where am I? Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's definitely 7. Unless we can change, just keep changing these values. See what they're giving us. What is this? Oh, I'm way up here. Wait, why am I up there? Wait. Oh, I got this round the wrong way. This is supposed to be 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, and then 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, and 12. So if we do this, there we go. Cake for you! We got cake. Not only that, we can render the insides of it. So inside this program, we can just remove this piece of line. Oh, okay, that didn't seem to work. Ah, what happened there? Okay, that's trippy. I'm not sure what's going on there. Oh, okay. No, I'm supposed to enable that blend. There we... Ah, well, it's half working, but you get the gist of it. Oh, gosh. This is ridiculous. Alright. So we're going to start some work on this. Right now, I have got this chunk. So it currently does the following. So I've got this single block subjunk, but I can't set anything yet. We'll just have to throw a new exception for this one. And a single block subjunk. Alright, so that's cool, that's done. And then single block chunk layer, we'll change that later. But for now, I want to get or finish the chunk. No, not chunk layer. Subchunk. So with this, we do the same thing that we did with getting, okay. Wait, is this a layer or is this a subchunk? Okay, so we have to get the layer. And I'm going to have to change this so it's a bit more in line with how this works. Alright, so it's a byte. We know it's a byte, and then we just do... We don't need that. Then we can change chunk layer from get Y layer. And then we can just straight up get the Y level. Same with the single block chunk layer. We can just remove that. And then we've just got the Y layer, Y level. Okay. Cool. So, now that we have that, we just do... We have to get the layer, so we do a get.
Hey, Sun Vector.
Hello. Okay. So if I do...
That's my friend right there, Dawn Twilight. That's a good friend of mine.
Yeah. Oops, I was not supposed to share that, but... Oh, hello.
Shh. I'm suffering in the corner over here.
Man, RTX is not the greatest thing to play with, but it's the best visual thing that we have.
I have to go on every image and individually find out the RGB value and copy and paste it. It's awful.
Yeah. I should probably get into that later, but...
Yeah, in the video, when I was making the video, I made a joke against about the blah blah Baba sheep song.
Okay, so I have to change this so it's a bit more efficient. I have to do var layer is equal to layers. Do I have my layers? Yes, I have layers dot where x is equal over to x dot y level is equal to local position dot y. That's wrong. Then if layer is not equal to null, oh no, that won't work, will it? That contains an element into first. Okay, I have to do a first of default. First element in the source that's argument null exception. Oh no. Oh wait, dot first or default?
Take a look at this repository I found on the internet. It's about someone making basic games for beginner programmers.
Just send it in chat. You can check on it later.
If layer is not null, then we get the block and return layer dot block. Otherwise, we return null. Hopefully that works. Unless I can do this. Oh, that works. Okay. That's good. Alright, so this can return null, and then that's pretty much all that does. So we just have to get the layer. And to do that, we need to do if local position dot y is equal to return. Wait, no. We just return unless set block. No. Var layer is equal to layers dot first or default. Wait, I gotta check this out. This might destroy my computer, but because I've never tested this before. I gotta do this. So if we have a chunk column, and I don't want a single block sub chunk, I want a new single block. No. New sub chunk. And then we do sections dot no sections I dot no. Okay, that won't work. Block states
Sign vector.
dot yeah.
What is with the a normal keyboard and normal mouse you're using on your setup?
Well, I can't really. I've never really bought anything else other than that. I've only ever used that. Don't do sort of serious gaming. I just use that.
Ah.
Change this. Section. This is not nice music. What's going on here? Oh, that's fine. Section dot block states dot add. Wait. Why am I using a dictionary? That's a bit odd. I shouldn't be using a dictionary. I should just use a list. That seems a lot cleaner to do that way. Hopefully this will work. Okay, no. Okay. That's a bit of an issue. This can be nullable, right?
Hi, Demon.
Hello, Demon.
Oh, hello. You must be Demon Dev.
Okay, let's hopefully this will work. Nope, okay, we're getting an error again. I just have to do the same thing as I did here. What is going on here? Where is block ID? Oh. That's, okay. Because it's global, that means we have to do that. And then we just do that, and then we just do, okay.
Correction, do you need math encoding?
Yeah.
How much?
Depends on what you're making. It can go from basic to calculus. Object reference not set to an instance of an object. What does this mean? Why is X null? Oh, that's an issue.
Demon.
Oh wait, I have to change this so it's from for int I is equal to I is lower than layers dot length I plus plus, and then we can just do layers I is equal to new single block chunk layer. This byte level, Y level, U short block ID is equal to 0. And then we just have to convert that to a byte. Okay. Oh, it works! I am so surprised that actually worked. Even though I was using a bit more RAM. I am so surprised that actually worked. Oh my gosh. That is insane. I am so surprised that worked. Alright, now we can make it so we can actually set blocks. So now that we have this set up, oh, we do have to set a default block, don't we? Default block. Block state. Default block.
Hello?
Hello.
Finally, it worked, bro. I kept like joining and it wouldn't work. It kept kind of stuck on the RTC connecting.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
I had to restart my computer.
Hi, Demon.
Hello? Who was that?
What's up, demon?
Oh, hey, hey, Don. Hey, how's it going? That wasn't Don.
I am finally free from RTX, almost. My block textures are broken now.
Oh God.
I'm actually a good friend of Dawn.
Chaos Zilla.
Yep.
World.default blocks. And then we can just change this. Alright. Okay. What do we have here? Okay. Where is our world? Current world.default block. Alright.
Can I see the code for a second?
Hopefully that will work.
Yeah, it's on the stream.
Where's the stream again?
It should be in the announcements.
Why is
In the announcements channel on the server.
what?
Oh.
What? How did that change? How did that change?
Are you working on Bedrock Replay?
Yeah. How did that change? Oh, because I'm using the default block, not the unknown block. Oh. That makes so much more sense. That's why it's a glass, because I was testing it, the default block to be a glass. And it's got some other textures on it as well. Okay.
Oh, I can see what. Oh, I can see the block chunks and everything in that parameter.
Alright, that should do it. We can just commit this. Fix chunks. What has happened here? That's new. Alright, so now let's make this set block actually do something. So what we have to do is we just have to get the layer. So var layer is equal to first or default. Actually, it shouldn't need to be a first or default because we're already setting each and every single chunk layer to a single block chunk layer, so we can just do local position.y. We can just change this so it's a lot more efficient than what we have currently. And then we could just do I. Then we don't need that. Okay, cool. So that's pretty much that. If we try and run this, will this work or will this error? No, it works. Okay, cool. So we know that we are going to always get a layer unless it's null.
You know everything of what you're doing. What language is that, actually?
C#. This is only some of the stuff. Although I'm taking some of the concepts that I learned from VoiceCraft into here. Hello, L Cooper God. What's up? No, I don't know anything about Linkvertise. That's out of my reach. Everything that I've ever made has been open source and free, so yeah. So we can just do layer.set. Ooh, that's right. I didn't set the layer interface. Public void set block. Then we have to do a vector2i, I think.
Trying to make actually.
Local position, and then block state. And then we just said that. Okay, hopefully that'll work. Yeah, I can't do anything with. Yeah, I can't do anything with Linkvertise or anything because I've never used it. I don't really know what's going on with it because I haven't visited MCPDL in like a year or something. So I really have no idea what's going on.
Sign vector.
Yeah,
What are you actually trying to make exactly?
pretty much recreate the entire Minecraft rendering engine.
You trying to make a rendering engine?
The voxel engine, yeah, for Minecraft. And then I can choose that to create Bedrock Replay.
Yeah. And how long did it take you to make all that stuff?
Probably about a month. I honestly haven't been counting. Where's chunk layer? There it is. Implement interface, so we get that. Then we can just throw not implemented for now. Or throw new exception. Cannot set block on a single block chunk layer.
Ugh.
Where is it? Okay, layer data, we can just leave that there. Alright. Now I have to change this. So our subchunk we can set. Oh no. How am I gonna go about this? Alright, so I'm thinking that the chunk layer can actually set the block states if it wants to. And then we can do all sorts of stuff with that. So we can do in here. We could say how do I do it? 4 int I is equal to 0. I is lower than chunk dot block states dot count I plus plus var block state is equal to chunk dot block states I. So we're getting the block state, and then we have to do if block state dot equals. No, wait, hold up. Var block state. No, wait, hold on. Hold up. Will that work? Dot equals to state. Then we just set okay. How do we do this? We have to get the ID. Man, I am having a big brain fart right now. Oh, Demon's gone. Where's he gone to? So we've got our block ID. And then... No, oh. Oh wait, no, we can just do that. So we can do data IDX is equal to I. And then this needs to be converted to U short. So if we set a block, okay, so this is basically what it's trying to do here. Var block state is equal to chunk.block states, I. So we're getting the block state from the subchunk. Then we're checking if the block state is equal to the state that we're trying to set. And if it is, then we calculate the coordinate for that block, and then we just set the data point for that block. Oh no, that won't work, will it? Oh no, actually, no, that will work. We're just setting the data point for the index of that block state to where it is, if that makes sense. Oh. So hopefully that works. And then if it doesn't, and then we just return if it does find one. Else, we need to do something else, which is, I had to think about this for a while. Yes, I have a GitHub profile. Yeah, let me check. Let me get it. I'll put it in chat. There you go. Alright. Alright, so for int I is equal to 0 I is what? And then for int else we need to oh no, I have to I'll fix it later. Alright, so if we do something like how do I do this? No, that won't work, will it? Actually, will it work? I'm gonna do chunk dot block states dot add state. Then we just do data IDX. How do I go about this? Chunk dot block sites dot count -1. Then we convert that to a short. Alright, hopefully that will work. So a subchunk, we just do a layer.setBlock. And then how did we do this? Oh, we just did that. Block. Wait, why is that nullable? That shouldn't be nullable. Yeah, that should not be nullable. Bruh. And then hopefully that will work. So if we should run into no errors when we build this. Gosh. Alright, so that's no errors. Now we have to change this so the subchunk changes it. So if layer is single block chunk layer, and then else we do the other thing. We did the same thing here with the chunk column.
I'm finally free from RTX.
Noosh. New chunk layer. This and byte Y level is equal to local position dot Y, I think it was. We just convert that to a byte. Hopefully that works. Then if layer top okay. Then in the chunk column, I did something here. call this? Var chunk layer is equal to base. Layer as chunk layer. That should be public. Oh, wait. I don't have a private. It should be public. No, hopefully that will work. So we just do dot data dot length. Wait, dot. Zero. Cannot implicitly convert bool to bool. Just do that. Just to do that. Is there a same keyword? Oh well, this seems to work fine. Can I get this? What do I need? The default block, is it? Oh, okay, never mind. Alright, hopefully that will work. Alright, cool. Now, we're gonna try something. I could add a new block. Where is this being referenced? It's under the renderer, right? Yeah, there's our block registry. So what I'm just gonna do is I'm just gonna go blocks dot add. Let's say we'll give this grass and a new block grass. For now, we'll just leave this blank as it is for now, and see if that works. Now we just have to do we're generating. We could probably do the set function when we do a key press or something. Let's see if that works. So, maybe we have to test if it actually works. I'm just going to get our world and get rid of one chunk column. Then what we're going to do is we're just going to make this a var chunk is equal to new chunk column, and then we just add the chunk. Then we just do chunk dot set new vector3i. We'll just set the 0, 0, 0 point to 0. Then we just do how do I get a block registry? Oh, we can't. Oh, well, I'm just gonna do public block. Hopefully that works. Then in our renderer, we have to pass in the... This is only temporary for now, but we'll see if this works. Nope, we got an error. Attempted to access an element as an incompatible... What does it mean? Array type mismatch exception. Where is this? Is this our subjunk? There should not be 4096 layers. Why are there 4096 layers? Oh my gosh. Oh, that's why. We've only got a 2D array of them, I believe, was it? We still have an error, but oh no, there should only be 16 of these, so we just do chunk columns of size. Yeah, there should not be many of these. Except we still have this error. What does this mean? Attempted to access an element as a type incompatible with the array. That is an iLayer data. I should be able to convert to an iLayer data. What does that mean? No, I'm gonna try and see if this actually is a case in the chunk column. Single subchunk. Nope. Apparently, that's still a problem in here. Although this is executing first, so that's a problem that we have to fix. Attempted to access an element as a type of incompatible with the array. What does that mean? And why is it erroring right here? If layer is a single block chunk layer. Yeah, that's an iLayer data. What does this mean? What if I just nullify that? Nope. What if I get rid of this? So that works. Wait, what happened here? Wait. What happened here? We've got cake, and then we've got this. What? What is this? Oh my gosh! Wait, so if I try and set... Let's say we'll go for 16, no. We'll go 4 times by 6. Alright, let's see if this works. Yeah! It is kind of working! So that's 0, and that's what? Okay. So this is 0, this is 1, that's 2, that's 3, and that's the 4th subchunk. So we know we are setting blocks properly, but it's not working. Oh my gosh. I'm having a stroke here. Never mind. I don't understand any of this. What is happening here? Yeah. Okay. Interesting. I was not expecting this to kind of work. Okay. We can do something... Okay. So at least we know that is working. But we don't know what... We don't know what is working is whether if this is working or not. Right, let's see if this runs. Yeah, it seems to be working. And then if we check what this means, if we look at what happens here, Y level is -4, so we got block chunk. Then if we set a breakpoint here, which is the other... okay. That's not going to work. We'll just do nothing there. Well, can we just do nothing? Can we just add a breakpoint here? Okay, cool. Let's just write perfectly valid code just so we can test this. Yeah, it's working! It's working! It is setting it. The only problem is when it sets the... I don't understand any of this. Because when we set the new layer, or the chunk layer, it errors out. And why is this... I'm a bit confused as to what's happening here. What's going on here? Yeah, we're still getting that error. It's the exact same way that I'm doing it, but something going on. And I layer data. Yeah, it's not going to be null. Unless I'm doing something wrong here. No? That's odd. Bro. What is going on here? I need some help. What is going on here? That's the wrong one. When the system cannot convert the element to the type for the declared for the array. For example, an element string cannot be stored in an int32 array because conversion types is not supported. It is generally unnecessary for calculations. So you're telling me that so I can't convert a chunk player That's so odd. Ooh, ooh. If layer is single block chunk layer, then we create the new layer, set the block, and then we set that layer to that. It should work. And chunk layer inherits iLayer data. What happens if we just force it? So it's always going to be chunk layer. Nope, never mind. Oh, what's going on here? Like, it's working, but it's not working. I know the chunk column one works, but this one doesn't work for some odd reason. Doesn't want to work. I'm a bit stumped here. I don't know. What's going on? What if I try and do this? What? Is it Seashell going on all out on me or what? Because single block sub chunk layer looks exactly the same as chunk layer. And we have our data here, and we have our... What is going on here? Might be building it incorrectly. I'm going to restart Visual Studio and see if that works. I swear if this works, I'm gonna lose my mind. Okay, no, it doesn't. Oh, that's why. Oh, I sometimes hate myself so much. Wait, how much is that? Quite a bit. Alright, let's see if this works. Okay, we're doing something wrong here. So how are we getting the block? We're doing a get block. Please don't tell me it's setting the entire chunk layer. If it is, that's a big problem. We know the chunk column works, but the chunk layer doesn't, so... Okay. That should not be happening. Okay. Why are we only getting a couple of blocks, not the entire thing? Wait, no, hold on. Where is it? Console.write line look position. Let's see where it's trying to get the block. Zero zero should be not unknown. That's an issue. I don't know. That's correct. That's correct. So IDX is correct. We just have to return the block state.name. Zero zero should be not unknown. They're constantly at zero. Zero zero should be. Gosh, I think I know what's going on. So, right. So we can see here if we go to our subchunk, exiting the block state here. That's literally all we need to do. Hopefully this will work. Oh! Ah! Yes, it's working! We set a single. Yes! Oh my gosh! I am so happy we got that to work! Oh my gosh! That is actually working! Oh! If I just offset it by 1. Oh my gosh! I am so happy that actually works. Oh my gosh. Oh. That is amazing, dude. And that's only using 121 megabytes of RAM. For this entire chunk of blocks. Oh crap. This is amazing. Oh, yes. And then we can do all sorts of stuff. So we could block state is equal to, and for int x is equal to 0, x is lower than. And then we can play around with this, so we could do something like I am so surprised that worked, because I have never done anything like this before. So if we do a zero between 0 and 5 is equal to, let's just say 3 or 0. Doesn't really matter. Then we just add the block, so jump. There we go. That's actually working. Kind of. What is going on here? Oh, that is so cool. Oh, that's so weird though. That's extremely weird though. Wait, what happened with these? Wait. What's happened with these fake ones? Because they're supposed to render the other sides, but looks like they aren't. Oh, probably they don't have faces. Oh my gosh. That is so trippy though. Like that. It doesn't even render properly. I don't know. Oh. Well, at least I got the set block to work. Oh my gosh. We can do all sorts of stuff with this. We could probably make it half. It only renders it a single way. If I look at it from this way, only half of it renders. And if I look at it from the other way, it doesn't render at all. What is this? Okay. But at least we know this is actually working. It looks so trippy though. Is it doing a double-sided rendering? No, it's not. Oh, man, this is a big milestone to hit. I don't think I even did it properly, but hey, look, there you go. There's a weird thing for you. Wonder what else. How much is this taking? 150 megabytes. So not a lot, luckily. And we're only doing a couple of draw calls for this. I'll have to optimize this a bit later, but yeah. Ah, this is probably one of my best achievements so far on this. I got this rendering to work. Let's do something interesting. Let's do it further up. Let's start at Y level. Wait. Let's affect 4 subchunks. Alright, how much is this? It barely uses anything! Look at that! Only 138 megabytes. And we're rendering it. Oh my gosh. That is efficient. My engine is actually efficient. I've made something that is efficient. What about if we do the entire subchunk length? So I had what? Oh, let's just do 8. I don't want to overload this. Yeah, we're using a bit more, 166 though. It's not bad though. It's not bad. I will say, it's not bad. Well, it only works when I look top down. But yeah. Oh. We're one step closer to making the actual engine work. And then we can start working on the actual Bedrock replay. This is the big milestone to reach. I'll still need to figure out how I can update chunks, but this is a start. I'm not gonna lie. This is a big start. Alright. Might leave this stream at that. We probably won't be streaming tomorrow. Maybe next week, but just leave a comment or something in the description or when this video gets done. And then, yeah. Hopefully you all enjoyed it. I mean, I struggled a lot with this, but we're getting there. We're getting there. This is one of the things that just keeps me pushing forward with this kind of stuff. So yeah. Random stuff. Alright, well, I'll see you all in the next stream. Bye. Oh, why didn't that work? Is my number locked? Okay, there we go.
you